This is my YouTube channel, which I created in 2018. It has 11.1 thousand subscribers, 91 videos, and over 5 million views. And today I'm going to show you exactly how much money I made from YouTube. In this video, I'll talk about my best performing videos earnings and RPMs, total revenue directly from YouTube and from outside of YouTube, how much money I spent, how much work it actually took. If I go to my YouTube studio and to analytics and let's select lifetime, in 2019 I started making videos and getting views, and it almost took me 1 year until I got monetized on YouTube, and I got monetized in July 2020. And when I got monetized, as I remember, I had around 240,000 views. Now to get paid, you must reach a minimum threshold of $100. I got my first payment from YouTube in November 2020, and it was $116.42. If you look here, my channel has 6.9 million views, so 6.5 million views for long form videos, and short form videos has 180,000 views. I will show you some analytics of my top 5 most performing videos. The first video has 1.5 million views. It's a 1 minute and 16 second video, and it made $1,177, and it gave me 611 subscribers. The RPM here is less than $1. RPM means revenue per 1,000 views, and the audience for this video, top geographics are Brazil, United States, Philippines, India, Thailand. The second video has 1.1 million views and a revenue of $686. RPM is 70 cents. Audience are from India, Pakistan, Indonesia, Egypt, Philippines. The third video has 912,000 views and it made $954. RPM of $1.05. Audience, United States, India, Brazil, Philippines. This video had around 400,000 views and it only made $181. 15% average percentage viewed. RPM is 46 cents and audience Iraq, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Algeria. That's because this video was made in Arabic. My channel was in Arabic before, so that's why the RPM on this video is very low. This video alone gave me 3,000 subscribers. People were very happy with this video and the results it gave them. Now this video, 324,000 views, $137 revenue, 1,000 subscribers, RPM 43 cents, audience the same. Now maybe that was disappointing, but unlike those videos, here are some videos that had a higher RPM. This video, for example, 27,000 views and it made $112. The RPM for this video is $4.15. Audience, United States, India, Germany, Canada, United Kingdom. This video, 15,000 views, $52 revenue. RPM $3.46. Audience, United States, India, Egypt. So now I have seen some videos with very high RPM and some videos with very low RPMs. For three main reasons. The viewer demographic. Advertisers pay more money to show ads to first world viewers and less money to third world demographic. The niche and topic. The topic of the channel matters as some content pays more. A channel talking about finance and investment will earn more money than a gaming channel. But even within tech content, you can have a very low RPM like my channel for tutorial videos, or a higher RPM if you are reviewing the latest iPhone. Even in tutorial videos, you can get a higher RPM if you are talking about paid big company apps like Adobe, here for example $4, rather than talking about a free app like OBS Studio. The RPM for this video is only 75 cents. And the third reason, if the video is more than 8 minutes long, you can place mid-roll ads, not just ads before and after the video. If people watch for longer, the possibility of them seeing more ads is increasing, which increases my revenue. As for my channel, most of my videos are short few minutes videos, like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Now after we understand all of that, the moment you came for the 6.9 million views, 11,000 subscribers, I have made a total revenue of $4,891.88. 99% of this number is from long form videos ads, and short videos ads give me only $1, and I've made $16 from supers and gifts. That's not exactly what landed in my bank account, because after paying US viewers taxes and some transaction fees, that reduces the number by around $400. Also, there are some expenses. For example, I bought a PC and some tools needed for making videos, which took another $800. That leaves me with a net profit of roughly 3.5k. Other than direct YouTube revenue outside from YouTube, I made around $400 to $500 from companies that reached through my email and asked me to do little sponsorships, like putting their website link in my description and comment in exchange for like $100. I did few of those because Why not? That added around 500 to the total revenue. Now let's talk about how much work I've put into making this money. I don't call myself a YouTuber. I just make videos whenever I feel like it. It's not even considered a part-time job for me. My work style is that 3 or 4 times a year I sit down, start gathering ideas, and make videos on various topics. You will find me working 6 to 8 hours a day for a week or two. Then I publish the videos and do nothing for the next 2 or 3 months. Then repeat the cycle. Roughly over the past 6 to 7 years, I worked for about 6 to 9 months, at least 6 hours a day. 3.5k divided by 7 months equals $500 a month, and that is only counting the actual work of making the video itself, recording, editing, creating thumbnails, and publishing. That doesn't count the time it took me to learn how to do these things, like learning how to edit or learning how to make a thumbnail or watching tutorials on how to become a successful YouTuber. Some videos took me a full week of daily work, like this video for example. This video took me like a week working for like 6 hours a day at least, and it only got 700 views and it only made $1.16. While this video has like a quarter of my revenue from the whole channel. This video is 1 minute. I don't think it took more than 2 or 3 hours, and it made $954. This video took 1 week for $1, and this video took 3 hours and paid $900. So it doesn't all pay the same. There's some sort of luck in YouTube. So you need to be planning and having a plan for what you are going to publish and is it going to work or not. So you don't end up with videos that takes you weeks or months to make, and at the end it doesn't pay for the work you did. Thanks for watching.